Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Have you ever doodled with watercolors? Let's do it today. I made this card for someone special to me. Firstly, draw some flowers and leaves in pencil as guidelines before starting with watercolors. Some fall sunflowers, some pansies, some wildflowers, some leaves and some twigs. Keep your composition as you like. In doodling, it is not necessary at all to keep your drawing accurate and perfect in shape and size. Okay, sketching is done. Now let's start coloring. This first one here is Painty in crimson red. A few strokes of color, then spread it with a wet brush towards the ends of the petal. And this fall sunflower with medium yellow, and this geranium with the scarlet red. Some leaves in sap green. Another fall sunflower and a crimson red poppy. Before writing with a pen, I am writing my message with a pencil. It is always safer. And this is Kuretake Zig Painty in golden color. Recently I got this pen as a gift from someone. It is a wonderful decoration pen, easy to use and has a very good tip for calligraphy and a very nice flow of ink. Now let's add some ornamentations to the doodling also. Add some shining strokes to the flowers, leaves and the center parts of the flowers also. This is giving a kind of definition to the watercolor flowers and is similar to line and wash technique. This was a quick process and the result is outstanding. What do you think? Please tell me in comments. This one turned out really good and I made a green envelope for this card. And if you feel there is too much blank space in the drawing, then you can utilize that space and doodle some leaves in the blank space also. Did you like this idea? If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such ideas. Thanks for watching. See you soon.